It is a bird inside Church's Chicken. And these dudes are just now trying to get it out. They've been in the store since about 7, somewhere around 7:05. Oh shit, there you go. Did you see it? I think I saw it. Oh, hold up. Let's see if we can still see it. Did it come out? It went back in? There's a bird in that junk. Oh, damn, there you go. You see him? Flying around and shit. They gonna cook that motherfucker, watch. Fucking Asian people don't have no pics.
Yo, see, no cat, no boy.
Oh,
man, that nigga cold, man. Leave him with that joint. Ain't nobody selling cat.
Yeah, where the bird at? Oh shit, you see the bird again? Where you at? There you go. You see him? On the chair right there? So next time you get chicken from one of these establishments, you must find out if it's chicken or it's pigeon. You know, nowadays, no telling. I think it went in the ceiling. Yeah, he's saying it went in the ceiling.